Kitty Crew Campers to please listen to Kuya Fritz.
Maraming salamat mga neighbors kasi I appreciate it and thank you so much for being all of my friends and I hope you like my message. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Kuya Fritz. Okay, so now Kitty Crew Campers, so please stand and get your certificate because you will have a group picture here with your certificate. Okay, lahat mo ng kuya natin stand here. Okay, kids, sa mga little kids natin, please sit down. Yung iba, sit down.
Mga maliliit.
Okay, kitty jumpers. Please, harap ko dito. Dito ka, ate. Yan ka, yan.
Yuki, up mo yung ano mo. Yung hat mo. Nakita yung face mo. Wala pa.
Okay, wait lang guys. Wala nang gagalaw dyan ha. Excuse me guys, bigyan natin ng spacey Grimace. Grimace, dito ka. Wait lang guys, move kayo sa side. Okay, so ngayon,
Bakit sad si Grammy siya eh? Oh, Benji. Ayos na ha.
Marco.
excuse me, harap na kayo dito guys. Harap na, harap.
Baba, matat yan. Benji, yun.